A lot of people wonder that should they consider to install an antivirus application on their iPhone from App Store, or do their iPhone needs an antivirus application or not. So if we talk about the simplest answer to this question is no. So let me explain. The first of all, let's talk about the newer iPhones. Like all the newer iPhones are receiving are running on the latest iOS version. Like they get security updates on time and all that stuff. And you don't need any antivirus application for newer iPhones. Like all the iPhones that are running on the latest iOS version, like currently it's iOS 26. So if you have an iPhone that is running on iOS 26, you don't need an antivirus application. Now, let's talk about some older iPhones. Like if you have an iPhone like iPhone 8, iPhone 7 that are not receiving latest iOS updates from past 2 or 3 years. So in that case, you still don't need any antivirus application because you are still receiving bug fixes and security updates. So like in the third case, you might have a very old iPhone like iPhone 6, iPhone 5 that are not even receiving any security updates or bug fixes. In that case, you can consider to install a antivirus application from Play Store or App Store. App Store. But in that case, you still don't necessarily need any antivirus application because the security of iPhone is pretty good. And as far as you are downloading applications from App Store, you don't necessarily need or worry about anything. So keep using your iPhone without any worries, and you are good to go. iPhones don't need any antivirus application. So if this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere.